Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable editing grid view in Microsoft Lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Microsoft List link. You'll need to log into your account using your Microsoft credentials to access your lists and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see your available lists on the dashboard. Next, click on the list where you want to adjust the grid view editing settings. This will open up the list and display all your items and columns. Once your list is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu and gives you access to all the configuration options for your list. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on List Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your list, from permissions to advanced configurations. On the List Settings page, scroll down through the options until you find Advanced Settings. Click on it to access more detailed configuration options that control how users interact with your list. This section is particularly useful for managing editing permissions and view modes. Now, once you're in the Advanced Settings section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Quick Property Editing. This feature controls whether users can make quick edits directly in the grid view or if they need to open individual items to make changes. Right beside Quick Property Editing, you'll see a description that reads, "Allow items in this list to be edited using Quick Edit and the Details pane." Underneath this description, you'll notice radio buttons with two options, yes and no. Simply click on yes if you want to enable editing in grid view, allowing users to quickly edit items directly from the list view. Or click on no if you want to disable this feature, requiring users to open each item individually to make edits. This gives you complete control over how your team members interact with and modify list items. And that's it. You've successfully configured the grid view editing settings for your Microsoft list, giving you better control over how your team manages and updates information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.